Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx. I have my little assistant down here with me right now. So today we're actually doing my final unboxing for the Allure beauty box. It's a cool box. The real reason I'm not going to continue with this subscription is because I just subscribed to Ipsy. I'm not crazy about the $10 like sample bag they send out every month, but you have to be subscribed to that in order to be upgraded to the Glam Plus bag they have out now. Or I sacrificed this one for that one because that new one I'm actually going to start pitting against BoxyCharm because they're very similar. So I'm just gonna shut up, get into Allure Beauty Box. All right, so we have the little packet right here. A packet, yes. As you guys can hear, my daughter is in the background. If you have a problem with the cheerful sound of children, then please leave now. Ooh, this is a good box, shit. The first thing in here is the Caution Hourglass Mascara. I've heard great things about this actually. I'm very excited to try it. All right, the next is by, you know what? I'm actually going to give this a try. I was about to roll my eyes because you always get First Day Beauty Ultra Repair Cream as samples in every subscription that you ever get. But my face has been crazy dry lately, so I'm actually gonna give this a shot. I don't think I've actually ever tried it before. All right, the next thing is by Caudalie, and I love Caudalie. This is their Vino Pure Skin Perfecting Serum. The prices they give you in this are for full sizes. I'll list it on the screen. I mean, it's irrelevant though because these aren't full sizes. Usually they send you one full size thing, but I don't see anything full size. All right, so the Vino Pure Serum, the antioxidant, skin soothing, and calms redness over time. Hyaluronic along with oil regulating, salicylic acid. I'm very excited to try this. I am a huge fan of Caudalie, so I will definitely use this and let you know what I think. And like I said, I will tell you what I think of this too, because this is a pretty good size. This is an ounce. All right, the next thing I see is by BKR. Don't they make those glass bottles that are like $50 for like a glass water bottle? Anyway, this is the Water Balm. This is the chicest lip balm ever. I will absolutely be the judge of that because if I know anything, it's about fucking lip balm. It's not super waxy. You can layer it under your lipstick. It's lip balm. I will let you know what I think of this as well. It came in a very extra, like, plastic packaging. This is a very, very tiny sample, but okay. There's no scent to it. I will actually use this immediately after I'm done filming this video. All right, the next thing I see is by Yves Saint Laurent, and this is the YSL Matte Stain, and it's the color 16. I don't see an actual name, but it says 16 on it, and it looks like perfect. This would be like a really nice everyday kind of color, and it's nice for fall. It's not too bright, but it's a nice kind of casual mauve, let's call it. All right, the next is by Good Genes, and this is, no, it's by Sunday Riley. This is their Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. I've actually heard a lot of good things about this. I feel like I got a sample of it, but I never used it, but I definitely will. This is a exfoliating lactic acid peel. Helps to brighten, plump, and adds radiance to the skin. These are very expensive, like for full sizes, but again, I'll list it on the screen if you're interested. All right, and the last thing in here again is by Sunday Riley, and this is her Ceramic Slip Cleanser. I'm actually going to use this today when I rinse this off. Gentle plant-based cleanser pulls out impurities while pulling in clean hydration for smaller looking pores and a clean, radiant complexion. Sounds great. I will definitely use it. This was a great box. I am a fan of this box in general. I've just had my fill of it and now I'm ready to go on to something else. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and all the information for this box, if you're interested, will be listed in the box below. You do get $5 off your first month when you sign up. It's not an affiliate link. I'm not sharing that kind of stuff. But I will list everything in the box below, and make sure you guys keep an eye out because my big end of the year giveaway is about to be announced. So till next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.